this assignment, I will demonstrate how to access and play a game that I use in my class from abc.com. First, you click on Safari. Then you go to the top and type in www.abcya.com and press enter. Once loaded, you will come to this home screen. You will click Grade 1. Then you are going to scroll down to find the game Sight Word Bingo. You will then click on the game. And once it loads, hopefully you'll have better internet.
Word bingo!
You will press the green button that says Go. Then it says Select a level. You will press All Words, the bottom star. For this game, you will be clicking on the word that is said. If you do not understand and need to hear the word, you will press the orange bar that says Repeat Word.
Ground.
For example, she said ground. You will then go to the board and find the word ground and click on it.
Long.
And keep going until you get a bingo.